The Senate has urged the Central Bank of Nigeria, CBN, to extend its deadline for the phasing out of the old 1,000, 500 and 200 Naira notes from January 31st to June the 30th, 2023. The recommendation follows a motion by the senator representing Borno South, Ali Ndume, raising the alarm over the 21st January or 31st January deadline. According to him, the notice given by the CBN is too short, considering the few banks in Borno and Yobe State and the inability of people in these states to lodge the old notes in time to meet the deadline. On October 26 this year, the CBN Governor, Godwin Emefiele, announced the redesign of the three bank notes, saying the new and existing currencies will remain legal tender and circulate together until January the 31st next year.
Hello, hope you enjoyed the news. Please do subscribe to our YouTube channel and don't forget to hit the notification button so you get notified about fresh news updates.